Hi, this is going to be a very quick run through of how you can update your version of WAN2GP using the RunPod template that I've made available. The template is called WAN2GP and can be found in the RunPod template library. All of the code is open source and can be found on GitHub. I've added an update script to it, so I just want to walk through how to use it. If you're not using this template, I have a separate video and I'll link to it where you can see how to use the template to get up and going in RunPod with WAN2GP. Anyway, we are on an A40 in RunPod using the template. We can see that we're on version 7.73. We want to update the latest, so we just go to a web terminal, start that up. All you have to do is type update-wan2gp.sh, and it does the full update for you. Reinstalls the requirements, and then you can run tail-f workspace/wan2gp.log to see that your server is restarting. We see that it's running. If we go back to the web UI and refresh it, we now see that we're on 7.77. So that's it. You're up to date now. The gotchas are there's no rollback. So once you've updated, you're updated. And it hasn't been tested in this environment. Before I publish the template, I test it first to make sure it works. So you're going in uncharted territory here. And the last gotcha, if you do stop your pod and then restart, you're probably going to want to run the script again to make sure your dependencies line up correctly. But that is it. Hope that's helpful. Any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks.